soft, huh?
It's soft, but it's
Yeah.
really beautiful. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ruth. Guys, I'm trying to sound formal and proper, but yeah, hi, my name is Ruth, and yeah, that's about it. I am filming a vlog. I started the vlog today. It is a Thursday, and yeah, what am I doing? Yeah, this morning I went to my monthly checkup. I went for my monthly checkup and obviously got the injection. Guys, I'm gonna hide my lips because they're cracky. Every time I get this the injection, every single time, I think for a day or two, I usually feel very kind of like weak. My lips crack like crazy, and then I am super dehydrated, so that's why I look funny and drained. But yeah, it's gonna be okay, and on Saturday I'm gonna be fine. Then, so what's up now? Now I am from work. I am currently heading to a client's house to do her nails, and then yeah, should be done. Then I'm gonna go home and rest and watch TV and watch YouTube and every little thing that I can do. So yeah, I just thought I should officially start the vlog. Guys, I know sometimes I can be so bad at vlogging. I mean, this intro is gonna be long, but yeah, I know sometimes I can be very bad at vlogging. I just go to sleep without telling you guys, I wake up without telling you guys, and basically I just get stuff done. I literally remember in the middle of that. I hope you guys can hear me because my windows are open because it's quite hot and I'm not the aircon girl. Okay, so yeah, that's just about it. This weekend I have to, literally guys, I have to mask my face. But yeah, let me not make this intro any longer. Bye.
tshogile. Botswana khabile, guys. I've been saying. Botswana looks pretty, guys. Botswana is beautiful. Africa. Are you excited?
Yes, walking for the first time.
How was it, Rami?
It was so fun, guys.
Then why did you climb with that guy?
Because it was my first experience, but anyway, it was fun.
Yes. Are you excited?
Level 2, hi, hello. Button thing in Tarektalin. How was your ride, sweetie?
Bumpy.
Oh. Oh, guys. How was it
Oh
like?
my god, I'm so excited! That's why I love banks, guys. I need to try a bank now.
take pictures by the water. Literally just that. So now I think I'm going back to Gibbs now. Like, I'm really tired. I guess you can tell. I'm really tired. But yeah, this place is beautiful. We're gonna come here one time when we have like our dresses and stuff, because I think it would look very nice with like flowy dresses or like a floral theme. Yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys and catch you later. Hey. Hammer. Hi guys, so I'm making omelets for 2 people. So I'm gonna use red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. That's actually lettuce, but I wanted it to be kind of like celery for garnish. Bacon, tomato. I'm gonna add the cheese, and obviously my eggs, and I'm also gonna add the milk. Yeah, so let's do this. Hi guys, today is a Friday. Today is a Friday, and we are taking a drive. We don't know where we're going, but we're taking a drive. I am with the love of my life, and yeah. Well, so we just felt like going, just taking a drive somewhere we don't know. Yeah, I'm wearing an oversized shirt. It's a men's shirt with shorts underneath, but you can't really see the shorts. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you guys snippets of today. Yeah, we had a very heavy breakfast this morning, as you guys saw the clip. So yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi guys. Yeah, guys, we managed to have a little roadie. We want to end up going to Motswana. We ended up going to Motswana. We ended up going to Motswana, and yeah, we honestly just drove until we reached Motswana. We're like, oh, okay, this is Motswana. We've both never been there, so it was quite nice. We just drove like literally into the village, just into the village just to see like what's there. We asked a couple of people if there was like a river there, or like just to take pictures by the water. Yeah, they did say there's an oka. Yeah, but we got there, there was Malapo. We got there was no water by the Malabo, but I did take pictures. I'll put them somewhere here. But yeah, man, it's a very nice village. It's actually bigger than I thought in my smaller head. I thought it was like such a tiny village, but it's actually big. It has quite a number of things that I didn't even think were there. So yeah, it's quite nice. It's very chilled. It's so quiet. It's so, I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, and then when we were just about to get on the road back to Mahalape, it just started raining. So guys. So yeah, I just thought I should fill you guys in. We're going back. We're having Oreos on the way. Yeah, man, that's just about it. It's around 2:05 now. So yeah, we wanted to go back before it gets late or dark. So yeah. For dinner I'm gonna make finger ribs. I'm trying these for the first time. It's the eFoods brand. I'm trying these for the first time, so I'll let you guys know how they taste. Yeah, my friend Melinda recommended these for me, and there was 70 pula with free delivery. I'm gonna make these with fries and just Greek salad. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna make for dinner. It's about to rain. I hope I'm not gonna make too much noise for you guys, or the rain is not gonna make too much noise. So yeah, let's do this, okay? Yeah, because we had such a heavy breakfast and we had it late, there was no need to have lunch, just snacks. Today is a Saturday. Saturday I'm also going back to Gibbs. I don't even know if I told you guys that I'm coming to Mahalape, but yeah, I came here on Thursday. So yeah, today is a Saturday. I'm going back to Gibbs, but not right now. Later. I hope you guys can hear me because there's so much noise on the road. Let me just reduce my speed quickly. Yes. I'm going back to Gibbs later, but right now I am going to do my hair. Yeah, the lady who does my hair in Gibbs is currently on maternity leave, so yeah, I'm gonna do my hair with the same lady that did my hair in December. I really like the hairstyle, I like her stitch, so why not? So yeah, I didn't eat anything. So I think I'm just gonna have lighting was not good last night. I tried filming for you guys, so I just thought, you know what, I'll just put it together in the vlog instead of making it a separate video on its own. So yeah.